Hi everyone. Today we are discussing on the palindrome topic. So this is the most asked question during the interview. So let's understand what is palindrome, how it is going to implement. So let's start. What is palindrome? So palindrome is a word, number or phrase or a sequence that reads the same backward as a forward. So let's take an example of madam. So madam, if we read through the forward, it is madam, and if we read through the backward from this side, it is also madam. So madam is also a palindrome word. Let's take another example, python. So when we are reading through forward, it is python, but its backward is not python, so it's not a palindrome word. So I hope it's clear to you everyone. Now let's see how it is going to implement in python with easiest way. That I will discuss you later because it's not a necessary, because some. So the best practice what we are going to do is through writing code from the scratch. So first let's understand the concept. So let's take an example of madam. So here madam, M is stand with 0th position, A is stand with 1th, D is 2nd, A is 3rd, and M is 4th position. So now uh, let's see, uh, this side we can call is as a left position, and this side we can call it as a right position. Okay. Mm, so this is left, while left we will take left position as a 0, starting from 0. Okay, this position, starting from this position, and for right we will start from here. But how we are going to start is like r right is equal to length of the string l of, oh, I'm so sorry. It's length of string minus 1. So how it is going to implement? See here, length of the string is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So right is start from this location. So I hope you will understand this thing. Now let me explain you it deeply. Let's write the pseudocode for it. So let's take left is equal to 0 and right is equal to length of the string minus 1. So which is going to start from here. Left will start from here and right will start from here. So left will start from here and right will start from here. So I hope how it is going to start you will easily understand. So now let's see pseudocode for it. While left is less than right, so left is less than right. Until left is less than right, this loop will run. Okay, so if s, it means that string, okay, and string of left, whatever position it is not equal to string of right, whatever position of right, it will return false. See here, in the python case, let's take the example of this word python. String of left will be p, and the right will be n. Both are not same, so it will return false. If it is same, let's take an example of madam. String of left is m and string of right is also m. So if it is in the same position, we will increment left by 1 because we are moving forward here, and for right we were moving backward here, so we will decrement right by 1. So if it is same, then left plus or equal to 1, and we will decrement right by minus 1, right minus or equal to 1, and we will return the true. Okay, so whenever somebody asks you whether the given string is palindrome or not, this one is the best way to answer. It's a pseudo code. Okay, so I just write the code. Left is equal to 0, right is equal to, we will take length of string minus 1 because we are taking string as an argument, while left is less than right. If string of left is not equal to string of right, then it will return false. Else we will increment left by 1 and we will decrement right by minus 1, and we will return true. So once we will print and we will run the code, the output for madam is true and the output for Python is false. Let's take output for another one also, which is this one, race car. If you can see easily, it is also a palindrome word. For race car, it will give us true. Let's see. Yes, it is true. Okay, so this is the pseudo code for whether the given string or word is palindrome or not. You can give the answer through that. But what if, see, this is very shortest way to return it, but don't try. Okay, I am just telling you, but never ever try during the interview. Through the slicing you can answer it, but don't answer it. Okay, this is very easiest way. Given string is same as its reverse, so through the slicing, like slicing operator, this is the, we called it as a slicing operator, 2 column, and if we run the code we will get the same output. But please don't try it, just try the above, the before code which I implemented. So if interviewer asks, just answer through this code. Okay, this is very good way to give the answer. All the details and code will be, code link and everything will be written in the description. Just go to the description and check it out, the concept and everything, and let me know if you have any doubts or any query. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.